how to make a free Minecraft server using Aternos, free Aternos server. So of course you're gonna have to go to your preferred browser and just search for Aternos, and inside Aternos you're gonna have to have an account. So sign up for that. It's pretty quick, just your email and some passwords to keep yourself safe. But anyways, just log into that account and you should be able to start creating a server. So the main screen will have your servers option, and then pretty much just to create a server button. So just go ahead and press on that and then press on create. So we have a server over here. We can always go ahead and try this, but let's press on create first. So there's a lot of things you're gonna have to put, but it is technically pretty much easy. So just go ahead and skip this real quick, and you're gonna have to tweak some details for the server to pretty much match whatever you want. But once you have your own server, it's gonna be connected to your account. So mainly for one account, you're gonna get one server only. It's gonna have your name, but you can change that, of course. So you should be able to see the information over here. You can change the software if you want. If you want vanilla or pretty much whatever option you have here. If you want bedrock, you can do that, but let's just go ahead with the vanilla option. You have the address over here. You can just copy this and put it in the menu. So the server, sorry for this, but the server is connected to a specific version only. So if your Minecraft is not 1.21.8, then you're gonna have problems with joining. But if it is 1.21.8, then of course you'll be able to join. So just go ahead directly to your Minecraft game. Go to multiplayer, and once in multiplayer, just press on add server. Name it whatever you want. Once you're done naming, just put in the server address, paste that if you want, and then just go ahead and press on done. So it should be around here. It's pretty much over here. Oops, but it's right here. Press on refresh for it to load. So if it works, as you can see, it's gonna be showed over here. And if you're in the same version like as the server, you should be able to join the server that was created. But if you want to join, you're gonna have to start that server so that it becomes online. You can also go ahead and press on connect so that you'll have a better potential chances of actually getting it to start properly. But once you're done with the options over here, it's pretty much mainly just there though in the server. Like you can change slots, the difficulty, pretty much everything else you can get in a normal Minecraft world. But again, once you're done, you can just go ahead and start using that server. So just go ahead and press on start. Over here, it's gonna take some time depending on the server and how many people are currently using it. You may have to line up until you will be able to get connected online, but it's taking a bit long. You're gonna have to accept this actually. You don't have to do this, but you could if you want to, but it's gonna prepare. It's gonna take some time again depending on how many people is using the server. But eventually, once it is online, you can go back to your game, give the address to other people or your friends, put them in the ad server so that they can join your game. So as you can see, it's preparing over here. Eventually it's gonna go online, something like this. It's gonna show you MS, and just go ahead and play the game. But anyways, that's how you create an Aternos server and Aternos. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.